If you fit maintain yourself when everybody dey run like chicken wey no get head, or when kasala burst and dem lie on top your head say na you cause am. If you tell yourself say na dem get the amount anytime dem talk say you no sabi anything. If people hate you and you no gree hate dem back, and on top you no dey form like say na you holy pass or na you wise pass. If you fit dream like Akpos wey dream say him see $100 billion for ground, but you no carry phone sleep for inside the dream. If you no let your health swell just because say you dey win, and you no dey do face like say na you suffer pass. If you no turn Agbero when pesin take the thing wey you use your sweat make, pieces am for ground. Instead, you carry your pieces jejely, start work again instead of to dey talk about am. If you fit find power to crawl after your leg no gree waka again because say wahala don nearly finish you kpatakpata. If you no forget the house wey you from come just because say you dey inside crowd wey gather. If you no forget ordinary people dem just because say you dey chop with big oga and madam. If you sabi how to protect yourself from both your enemy and your friend sef join. If you sabi how to use your time well instead of to dey waste am. If you sabi all these things, then my pikin, everything wey you dey find for this life, you go get am, even pass that one sef. Na that time you fit call yourself pesin.